technical muffin top. Short. Alright guys, well, Grit said it. I had one starting to flower on top. I busted it off, so I'm harvesting all my big basil leaves, so then I'll leave the small ones and see if I can get one more harvest out of them. But making homemade pesto and dehydrating basil leaves tonight. So y'all get ready. We got some cucumbers from the garden. We got some peppers going. So Muffin Top's garden's in full swing, and my little helper is handy. So he's my green bean getter. Muffin Top out.